Hi, my name is Akhilesh, and I've been working with Wipro for almost 4 years. I thought of going under some sort of a certification, so uh, I contacted one of my friend who is currently working with Cisco. So he recommended me this institute. He mentioned that this would be the best. So I mean, what would be the best? I went with his recommendation to join this institute. And as far as the lab is concerned, everything about this institute is the best. There's nothing that I can come up with any better suggestion for this institute. So I think this is the best as far as Pune is concerned. I would recommend everyone to join I-Medita in Baner.